Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast, and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. What's up, familia? What's up? What's up? Let's go. Let's get ready, familia. Welcome to our Tuesday session. Today it is Tuesday, familia. Tuesday following a lot of traps. It's already 10:30. It's time for the market to move, and we are in the kill zone. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. What's up, Wayona? What's up, Judge? What's up, Tony? Everybody's in the house. All right, familia. Let's make some money. The market has been trying to expand to the downside. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh yes. Oh yes, it's coming back up. It's trying to come back up, but it is rejecting its zone. All right. And I am right now, I am working with NAS right now. We are below the daily VWAP, which is really good because it clearly tells us that we are in sell. So after being consolidating for so long, it expanded to the bottom, right? Seeking for liquidity. And we are literally below the daily VWAP. So we got to be focusing in selling the market, all right? In any pullbacks. And how's everybody doing today? Everybody good? Fantastic. So I am going to wait for an opportunity for the market to go back up and prepare to sell the market. All right. 1 second. It's kind of crazy for me now because I'm dealing with so many brokers at the same time. All right. Everybody doing good? Awesome. So I'm looking at the time frame, 1 minute time frame, and just following what happened yesterday, got right to our point of entry, and from that point you see how it respected and it's pulling back down. But today, familia, the market has been just moving around below the daily VWAP. So we got to focus in selling and in pullbacks. But the market is clearly on a selling state. But anything below the VWAP, okay? So when it comes to market structure, I don't see any key points in the area right now to sell. That's what I'm trying to seek right now and look where I'm going to be selling the market. So I'm just looking at so many things right now. By the way, the bot has been doing really good. As a matter of fact, I just placed a trade right now. And as an update, because I did it last night, again, another night with no sleep after the Blue Jays won and we're going to the World Series. Hey. So after that, I started coding, and now our bot is doing Elliott waves. I'm gonna give you a quick view of what it's doing. That's why I'm looking at many things at the same time. It actually opened a trade to sell the market. You see, I didn't do this. It did it automatically right on that point, and it's waiting for the price to go to it because we are selling. And Oh, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it here, but it's saying that it's in a wave 2 out of 5. It's counting the wave, and it tells you the bias as well. It gets the signal and process it and does it for you. The account sitting right now at 50,640. These are all trades from the bot taking it, and it's counting waves. As you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's doing a correction now. It's doing a wave pushing up, but I'm happy with where it is right now, because now it's doing Elliott waves, so we know the roadmap. And inside of that, you have 5 strategies to tackle the market. So the winning rate should increase. And I've been trying to test a few things here and there, different setups, because remember, you can change the settings on it according to what you want to see. And I saved 2 set files for me that work pretty good, but not with the Elliott wave. It's a different ballgame. Oh, you guys couldn't see it right here. I know my screen is just too small, and it's in a pending trade right now. But anyways, that's part of the automation for GetReadyTraders. You guys are going to get all of this stuff for free as long as you're part of the VIP community, which is extremely flipping cheap right now. 15 bucks a month. Hey, for tons of bots and information and trades, can go wrong with that. We are extending it. We're supposed to run this for a month. They decided to extend it for 3 to 4 months, but that's gonna be going up very soon, because all the stuff that we're adding to it and all the bots and other stuff. But for new members, for the ones that are registering it, this is for life. It's a lifetime subscription. You don't have for you, it never will increase or decrease. Okay, so you guys know that's the plan with it. Now we have the free VIP community, free community, but you guys can join us and be part of that. We there exchange ideas, setups, things like that here and there. If you have any questions about trading, you can join us and learn as well. Okay, and for that, just scan that barcode at the bottom. And I'm waiting for the market to come to us right now. I want to sell the market. The bot is also selling the market. Remember, family, if you're new to the community, hit that like and subscribe, because it truly helps us to keep growing as a community, and I truly appreciate that. Thank you so much, familia. Thank you so much. All right, so let's wait. I am almost there. For me personally, it's almost there to sell the market. The bot, I'm gonna be testing this settings because it's fresh. I cannot give it to you right away. I want to see it working properly, and then probably release it by Thursday, Wednesday, with the Elliott wave engine on it. That now is gonna be filtering even more the trades. All right, and after that, this is the last thing I'm gonna be doing to this bot. No more. I think it was important for the bot to know the roadmap, since it already have 5 strategies in there. But then I'm gonna focus in build and TED. Build and TED will be the second thing, and I'll leave this for you guys to play around with the configuration, fine tune it according to your brokers, share the set files across other traders, and that will keep growing and growing and growing. The good thing about the bots is that they remove that feeling of when I don't know when to take the trade. It has a strategy, it has everything, so you just set the settings that you want and let it run. That's basically it. All right, you can run it with prop firms, you can run it on your own. Right now I'm in a prop firm for Funded Next and CFDs on a 50K account, after running out of my own money for almost 2 weeks and saw the progression going up. So I said, you know what, this is it. So let me run it on a prop firm, and right now it's 640 bucks since yesterday. I started running it yesterday. Actually, I started running 3 bots on it, and I run again a gold bot on it. It took 1 trade, and it was a winning trade. Then everything else was actually just this bot. Bill and Ted, I took it off because I need to work on it. But that's basically it. So we're good. And it came to the point I want to sell the market. The good thing about it is that it's doing lower low. So lower low here, lower low there. But you got to be really careful how you react to this market, because it can truly keep pushing it up. I see a point in the volume profile around this area here. Exactly where the bot set to sell. Wow, this is pretty good actually. This is really, really, really good. The bot got it right on the same spot that I'm seeing the volume profile telling me that there's a lot of selling power in that area. It's just waiting for the market to get there. Beyond that point, everything seems... Ooh, what? Wait a minute. Huh. Wait a minute. No way. This bot... Now I know. All right, 0.08. I was just looking at a calculation. Oh no, don't execute that. Looking at a calculation from the bot. So by default, I set the max lot size was a 100 lot size. So I should look at it and I'm like, wait a minute, it's putting a 2.28 based on my risk. So I was risking literally like $500 on the trade, which I don't want to do. That's why I was like, wait a minute. So I had to change that setting. I have to change that default too. 100 lot size is crazy. What happened is I was fine-tuning it to small accounts. So it has two settings. So if you are trading with a very small account, you have a setting for it. But if it has a large account, you have a different setting. So for the large account, which is the prop firm, I didn't do much in terms of fine-tuning it to know exactly what lot sizes to trade. So by default, it's taking max 100 lots, which is insanely bad. So based on that, it's doing a calculation. So it was literally trading 2.28 lot sizes on this trade, and I'm like looking at it, like, wait a minute, no, because that's risking $500 when I don't want to raise that much right now. I'm risking like 20-30 bucks at a time per trade. That's why I lowered it down a lot. And sorry, I'm not reading the chat. Feels like I'm talking to myself here. All right. Good morning, familia. Oh, cool. All right. It's slow. Market is slowing down. This is the kill zone. The reason why I want to do this on Tuesday, start a little bit later, is because on Tuesday the market tends to do a lot of crazy things, and I just want to jump into when the session is actually taking progress. That happens Tuesday and Thursdays. That's why I start a little bit later those days, just to let the market do what it's supposed to do. So when we jump in, we're not taking bad trades. So if it doesn't happen now, the move will happen at 2 p.m. If it doesn't happen at 2 p.m. between 3:50 and 4 o'clock, will happen the latest good movement with volume. That's pretty much the windows that we have for New York. Volume is dying a little bit right now, which volatility decreases by a lot. A lot. But hey, if this was real money, I mean, once this account is funded, the good thing with Funded Next is that they give you back your money. Like, whatever I pay for this, I think it was like $300. They gave it back to you 100% plus profits of whatever you're doing on your phase of getting funded. And then from that point, once you're funded with them, the only bad thing I don't like, because I'm really used to take profit trader where you can withdraw daily. Here you have, I think it's like 21 days to do your first withdrawal, which honestly, if I'm diversifying, having things all over the place, I don't care. I'm gonna run this with the bot. Every 21 days I'm gonna withdraw everything the bot does after it's funded. Like, I'm not gonna trade this account manually at all. That's the plan. It's gonna be turnkey, leaving it with a funded account, and the bot is gonna be smart enough to take those trades for me, and voila, that's the plan. And I know some of the American folks have some problems with MT5 accounts. If you can't find one, just go with a prop firm. Start low. They have multiple accounts, like 10, 25Ks for 100, 200 bucks. Start with that, and I'm pretty sure you can open an account anywhere in the States with a prop firm. That's in case, but the only thing, the leverage on them is 1 to 100, which is okay. I'm running it with 1 to 100, no problems at all. It's just I have to reduce my risk on every single trade. That's why I'm risking 20 bucks at a time, 20, 30 bucks at a time. Hey, the bot is doing the job. It's slower, but it's just doing the job. So not a biggie, all right? And the bot also respect the consistency rules and other stuff this prop firm has, so it's really good. Like, I'm not doing anything. I just go like this. Let the bot do the work. I can go play golf. I can go outside. I can even go on a vacation, and the bot is doing it for me. When I come back, I withdraw money. It's what I call it, a money-making machine. Make money while you're sleeping. Isn't that great? I'm just doing all this stuff. You guys know what, right? I talked about it a lot, but mainly for removing a lot of the sentiment that people have when they are trading. Anyways, market is slowing down a lot. And the bot is, let me see the logs here. Price didn't come nearby at all. He's not seeing anything. Okay. Perfect. The bot says that we are in a wave 1 right now. In the 1 minute time, actually in the 5 minute time frame, which is the optimal point for to trade the bot, the 5 minute time frame. I'll show it to you guys here again. The trade was here and the stop loss was here. And what happened is when price doesn't come to you for so long, it eliminates that entry. So it's open for another entry. But the entry was here with a stop loss around here. Okay. It's just the volume dies, so the bot says, you know what? Let me remove it because it's probably taking too long to get there. And you see this white line here? It's straight, it's consolidating to now. So the bot removed the pending order and it's just waiting for it. Oh my God, my screen is always, you know what? Let me do this. Show screen. Much better now. Larger screen. So I was saying the trade was here. A stop loss here. And the bot eliminated that trade as a pending order. So I can read also what's happening here, and it's saying, hey, look, this is blocked. All right, that trade was already attempted, so it has a cool off period of like 5 minutes or so. So let's say in 5 minutes, the price moves from that area and it sees the opportunity again, it might take it. If it doesn't, then it's too far, it just sees something else. But the bot is smart enough to make those decisions for you. And it's constantly just looking at the market, constantly looking at the market. Anyways, I'm leaving that alone. I'm not touching it. And honestly, all you need to do is just lower it down so you can see more things in it, because it has a lot more information. You don't even need to see this stuff. Just close it and close this and close this, and there you got a full screen with the bot. And let the bot do the trades for you, and it tells you everything there. If you want to do it manually too, like, you can follow this here because it's telling you the analysis right there, what it's doing. It takes you to give you the TP levels, the entry that he found. So you can take, for example, this and say, okay, I want to trade futures, and he's giving me this entry. So you go put the same entry on the your future account manually. Oh, look, it opened a trade right now, and it says to buy. Oof, but it's too far from it. Okay, let me see. It's risking 21 bucks. You see, 21 bucks. Final TP 63. But look at that. It's because the bias is bullish. Wave 1 out of 5. So it says, oh, I see. So wave 1. This is wave 2 right there on the fair value gap. That is why. And if it comes even lower to kick you out, that's why. So it's doing a wave 1, waiting for the retracement for wave 2. Take that trade all the way to wave 3 for the final TP. You guys see that? That's live, Amelia. And it's okay, the price can take off, but if you're doing another wave count, it's gonna come back here at one point. I'll probably already did the move. Let's see. If I maximize this, oh yeah, I probably did the move already. Boom, right there, entry right there. So the good thing about the fair value gap indicator, which is this one here, is detecting the fair value gap point, but also telling you where to get into the fair value gap. So it gives you the fair value gap on that's a blue line for if it's bullish, and it tells you exactly where, how far away from the fair value gap to get in, which is exactly there. Again, if you guys want to take manual trades from the bot, you guys can do it, all right? The bot will tell you exactly to what point to get in, and you go from there, okay? And again, this is free for the big VIP community, familia. It is, I think it's doing what it's supposed to do. I'm super happy for it. It's not just giving you the trade, but also giving you the signals in case that you guys want to take it manually. It has so many things. I updated also this is another update I did. It's where it is. You go here, properties, and I cleaned this a little bit more, organized it better, because I know a lot of people were like, oh my god, there's so much, oh my god. So I put it way better, like organized. There's a lot of settings here, like a lot of settings that can make this bot unique for everyone, because once you fine-tune it, you save this, and look, I saved mine. I say click save. Oh no, wait. So you see prosperity NAS, I saved 2 files. So if I have a broker that, you know, it's doing what it's supposed to do, and I like what it's doing, and I save these settings here, boom, I can share that file and send it to Renee, send it to anybody out there. And Renee said, oh my God, yes, I have the same broker. Let me load this because it's working for Lewis. And you and I will have the same configuration and make money. Or let's say something else is working, because the bot had 5 strategies in there, but depending on how fast is the move on any other instrument, let's say gold, right? And you said, okay, well, this set is working good with gold right now, or this set works every Wednesday on gold like this, and it worked perfectly. So you can have a set of files for Wednesday, load that file on Wednesday and let it cook, in case that you find something specific that works for that specific day, for that specific instrument. Still confused about the setup. Yeah, we'll go through it. We'll do a live session again on the VIPs, and we can, please, if you have any questions, just ask me as many questions as you guys want on the VIP. Okay, I can't do that live here. But yes, it is. I changed this and organized it a little bit better. If you guys want to, we can go through each one of these settings. Okay, and the document that I prepare, I'll prepare another version of it, and give it to you guys for review it. All right, you can print it and do whatever. Okay, and if there's any settings that you guys don't understand, I can change it too. All right, we can do a lot of things with this. All right, anyways, that's the configuration. I leave the bot alone. It looks like already at some point it will delete this trade. All right, let's do our trade manually. And it broke the daily view up. So, oh my God, I missed this. OMG. Jesus. It did a buy in the deep setting here. But how can you, like, it's so hard for you to figure it out, this movement of the market, because it was aggressively pushing down. It got to a point, and then it started pushing back up. That movement that I told you guys that it happens between 10:30, buying in the deep, that's exactly what it did right now. It's really hard to identify this. You can say, oh well, was it coming here? Not even, this is not even a point of liquid. Well, here I can say here a little bit lower, but those are things of the market that you can. It's really hard for traders to identify this stuff, to understand. Okay, if it's coming down to this point, there should be a returning point. At this level already, the buyers kicked in and started buying in the deep. It's very tricky. It is very tricky. It is super tricky. Because look, I have a game plan and I'm looking for a setup to sell the market. But when I see this behavior, I'm like, wait a minute. He just came to this point and he's doing an Elliott wave, pushing the market back up. This is what the bot actually found out, that he's doing an Elliott wave, pushing the market back up. But that's it. This is the only thing that the market is doing, an Elliott wave pushing the market back up. By concept, this thing should push down hard, right? It should, but it didn't. It didn't. And family, oh my God, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Dios mío? It came right to the entry the bot had before. That was the point of entry for the bot, and he's doing it. You know what? I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell here. I am going to not yet. Wait a minute. I am going to sell on a pullback. That was the original point of entry for the bot. It eliminated that trade because it took too long, and it gave me another one at the bottom, which now is eliminated too because it took too long. It's just the volatility is very low right now, and there's no point of putting pending orders like this. 1 second. Okay, there you go. Oh my God, he's coming down. That was a trade from the bot right into the point. Right into the point. I'll show you guys again. Look, it eliminated that trade right into the point where it was pending, and now it's pushing back down. Man, I'm telling you, this market, it is wild. Bitcoin is pushing up. I really hope it does push up really far, because I got so much Bitcoin that I want to make sure that it's like it goes to 150k. I hope Bitcoin go to 150k like tomorrow. Literally. I got some Bitcoin that is cooking really good. Anyways, I'm happy with the results of the bot. We can now upgrade to Elliott Wave. We'll do another session this afternoon to go through these settings and find more trades on the VIP. All right, exclusively on for the VIP. And please, if you have any questions or if you find something that doesn't work, let me know. All right, we will get this rolling, and you guys will be making money. That's the point. And again, it is a free bot for the community, not charging a penny. Why not? Oh, and they put the trade back in the this bot is crazy. Oh my god. Look, it put the entry back right where. Oh my god. Well, if it comes back, it's gonna be executed for sure. I'm gonna leave it alone. So the market, artificial intelligence, is fighting my artificial intelligence. Oh my god. This reminds me of the movie Terminator. Oh my god. Anyways, anybody selling here? ES500 recovered a lot. It did a huge pullback. ES500. ES500 did a very nice pullback. And it might be just working on the wick there. It might just go back up. That's quite interesting. As an intraday trader, this could be an Elliott Wave 4 right there. This could be an Elliott Wave 4. Yeah, it is an Elliott Wave 4. And if that's the case, then it might be forming an Elliott Wave 5, pushing the price even back to the previous day highest price. It could be doing that. You see, with the bot in that trade, when it does 1-to-1, which is where it is, what it was, it would close 50% and move its stop loss to break even. So yeah, it's doing an Elliott Wave 4, pushing the market back up. All right. Just trying to read something here about the market. Day trading tail says I am selling. Bitcoin is pushing up. I am so confident about that trade. I'm buying US30. You're buying US30. That's quite interesting. You're buying, people are selling. People are selling, you're buying. Oh my God. At the end of the day, what matters is how we make all this happen. Don't forget to share your ideas too, you know, like if you guys have any setups, share your ideas. Okay, let's do this get together on the VIP around 2 p.m. before, yeah, 2 p.m. is okay. Should be more volatility. Right now the market is kind of dying for London. And it changed setup to buy the market now. It found an Elliott wave 4. Yeah, the bot already changed. It took too long, that trade, to get there again. It changed, so it actually gave me a different entry closer on the fair value gap that was formed for that Elliott wave 5. It's catching an Elliott wave 5. Sorry, I had I'm analyzing something here quickly. I know I stay quiet for a second, but my mind just went really far. About what the market is doing. Again, it's doing Elliott wave 4, and it's trying to get an Elliott wave 5, but it's pushing the market back into the previous day closing price. And just going back into my library of thoughts, when the market is doing this behavior, it usually tries to form a triangle pattern in these areas as a form of consolidation. So after that, then it needs an order block to break the area and have continuation of the movement, which clearly indicates to me that it might just continue to push into the upside unless something drastically happened and push the market back down. You know, previous day closing price, they work as a dynamic support and resistance for the areas. So it's taking that point from the previous day closing price and bouncing out of it as a way of resistance. a quick observation that I talk all the time is, if you want to know where the buy is start counting the areas, those flat areas where the price is touching the most. It's clearly telling you this is where we want to go, but it needs to break these areas. So if you look at the price right now here, the previous day closing price, after being consolidating, doing that push to the downside, is trying to go back into it, but it's reacting to it. It's reacting to it. So this Elliott wave 4 formation here might be a triangle pattern. So I want to see if the price is going to stay above the daily VWAP and below the previous day closing price, form a triangle pattern. And if that's the case, and you are an Elliott wave trader, you can count the formations inside that triangle pattern. From that point, determine where the price is going. Okay. You have to be very technical about all this stuff to understand these movements. But there you go. You guys see it here. Like, it's doing exactly what I said. Let's see if it's going to stay above the daily VWAP and below this here. If it breaks the daily VWAP, it's coming back down hard. Okay. The bot knows this stuff. What I just explained to you, the bot knows it. And look, it actually changed. It says Elliott wave change on the body change. Oh, that's quite interesting. When to buy gold? Buy gold, my friend, when there's a drastic pullback. Gold is a very good instrument to buy right now. To focus buying gold. You want to make tons of money? Buy gold. Wow. Okay, it is coming back down. Oh, executed the trade, broke the daily VWAP, creating a fair value gap, creating displacement. Okay, that's good. It's clearly now coming down. Oh my god, that trade. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. That trade, my goodness. Market is not respecting anything right now. The original trade of the bot, the sell in that area, we went 1 to 2 R&R. The one I just took the buy in the area right now, it is on 1 to 1 right now, so it closed partials. And probably kicking me out of that one too. You see how confusing this market was, because even the bot is looking at these things. It opened a trade in that spot, didn't go for it. It opened another trade in another spot, didn't go for it. The market was playing around, but at the end, the bot took the best trade that could take at the very bottom, pushing the market up. And it's running it right now. It's waiting for that 1 to 1 to close partials, And okay, it is. It is. Yep. Okay. Close the trade right now. It just closed the trade. Okay. He just closed the trade in profits because he bought at the bottom here. Wow, it is crazy what he's doing right now. I can not read the manual entry from the gold. That your body's not taking any trades. That's okay. We'll on the VIP today. We'll go through this, and please ask the questions because I see a lot of people that sometimes they stay quiet. I'm okay, so that they know what's going on. Just ask questions. Your body's not working. We can share your screen and go through it so everybody can like learn. Okay, but we'll do that on the VIP this afternoon. This bot is insane. It just opened another trade on the same spot before. Right now it's sitting at $644. And not every trade is a winner. You know, not every trade is a winner. That's a given, but it's how it's controlling this trade what really matters. I'll show you the PL for this trades here. You see here, like some trades are losers, right? Not every single trade is gonna be a winner, but these are, for example, this is a trading stop. You see this one 9, then he lost $4. It does that. That's totally normal. And look, it opened another trade on the same spot again after closing the buy. It's like, okay, well, is it going down? And see, Elliott wave, no wave pattern, everything got messed up here on the Elliott wave. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to like put together. Everything got messed up with the Elliott waves. And the bot sees that. And again, the Elliott wave, it just the roadmap. Anything that happens inside of that are strategies, and the bot knows this too, so it uses a strategy for whatever market conditions it's finding there right now. So we will see. I'll leave that alone. But anyways, the market, it is not in the best spot right now. It is coming down again. Oh my goodness. It's kind of consolidating, but even the overall trend is going down. That's why the Elliott wave got invalidated there. It's like, hey, it's not respecting it, so no good. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. Which is good. The bot knows this stuff. Let me see this thing now. Okay. It is 10. Huh? Today it is what day? The 21. Oh, red detector. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, give me a second, familia. Aha. All right. Okay. And oh my God, this thing is not moving. It's just idling there. Let's see what our internal bot is saying. Let's see if it's finding, because we got bots everywhere. Let's see if it's gonna find an opportunity for us. This is another bot. Oh boy, it's on the 20th of yesterday. It's not finding anything. This one is not finding anything either. Interesting. Oh, it found one. It says to buy. This bot says to buy the market. I said, don't do anything. I said, don't do anything. Whatever you do, you're gonna suffer consequences. If you don't see a setup, familia, you're not trading. Like, you don't have to trade if you don't see a clean setup. Don't be forced to trade if you don't see things clear. Because this is the time that we gotta understand what is the market doing and then just not do anything. I'm reading the bot log files, and it's just flying across things here. It's blocking a bunch of signals right now. Just blocking signals. But anyways, familia, question. You guys want to switch to the VIP now so we can go through these settings? I think it will be a lot better. That way I can talk to you guys, okay? So I'm going to open the Zoom on the VIP, so let's go there. All right, familia? All right, for the YouTube community, I will see you again tomorrow. Take care. Have a wonderful rest of the day.
Goodbye.